Hey guys, so Apple is expected to launch a more affordable phone in the coming 7 to 8 days. I mean to say it's going to launch in mid-April according to leaks and rumors, but keeping in mind that the world is in the midst of pandemic, the launch date and its rumored April 22nd shipment date could change. Now there are some instances where we have seen the retailers being caught gearing up for its release. Specifically, JD.com has created a product page for the device which it refers to as the iPhone 9. Likewise, Verizon has added the iPhone 9 under its trade-in program. But it does not necessarily mean that Apple will market the device as such. On the contrary, this device is all but confirmed to be named the iPhone SE. On internal documents and technical sheets, 9to5Mac says it will be referred to as the 2020 version, but for marketing purposes, it's just iPhone SE. Reportedly, the 2020 iPhone SE will keep the same Retina HD display as the iPhone 8, that is a 4.7-inch 750x1334 pixel LCD display. Having said that, it will still have plenty of modern features including True Tone and wide P3 color profile. The new iPhone is expected to look more like an iPhone 8 than anything else, and it will continue to offer haptic Touch ID instead of Face ID, which will be placed at the bottom of the device. Where this phone shines is in the performance. The iPhone SE will reportedly feature a brand new A13 chip, so it should be extremely fast, but it lacks 5G. It includes 3GB of RAM, and storage options are likely to include 64, 128 and 256GB. Apple's new phone will also be compatible with Apple Pay and the Express Transit for automatic ticketing on public transport, according to leaked iOS 14 code that was seen by 9to5Mac. The code reportedly revealed it will also be able to scan NFC tags in the background, which is something the iPhone XR, XS and iPhone 11 are capable of doing. Since the iPhone SE is expected to be modeled after the iPhone 8, we expect a similar setup with single 12-megapixel camera on the rear in order to keep the costs low. Multiple rumors have indicated that the upcoming iPhone will feature a $399 price tag, which would make it the most affordable iPhone Apple has released since 2016. There are also rumors of a Plus model with a larger display, and according to 9to5Mac, both the regular and Plus model will have the same set of features and iPhone 8 style design with Touch ID home button, single lens rear camera and A13 chip. So that's it for today guys. If more information pops up, I will let you know. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.